Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best 6-pin LED connector is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components in any advanced LED lighting setup, playing a crucial role in ensuring stable power delivery and seamless signal transmission for complex lighting arrays, making its selection a critical decision for hobbyists and professionals alike who demand reliability and performance from their illumination projects. Number 5. Flutesan 6-pin LED strip connector. Connecting your LED strips is now simpler than ever. This connector is designed for a quick and secure setup, making your lighting projects a breeze. It works seamlessly with 12mm RGB LED strips and standard 22 AWG wires. Ensure you use qualified wires for a reliable connection every time. No tools are needed for installation. Simply insert the wire, align the poles, and press the cover down. It's that easy to get your lights connected. Our connector ensures a firm connection by piercing the copper contact on your light strip. This provides a stable link that can withstand minor movements. Crafted from high-quality PC material, it's built to last. You can trust its sturdy and safe design for all your lighting needs. With 20 pieces in each pack, you'll have plenty for any project, big or small. It's perfect for home decoration or professional installations. What we like. This connector offers a waterproof design, perfect for installations where moisture might be a concern. It comes in a generous pack of 20, ensuring you have enough for multiple projects. If you're looking for a reliable and easy-to-install solution for outdoor or damp environments, this is a great choice. What people say. The connectors are well made and feel durable. Easy to install and provide a secure connection for LED strips. The 6-pin design is convenient for my specific lighting setup. Number 4. Solderless wire connector 12mm 6-pin RGB+CCT. Tired of complicated wiring? This connector makes joining wires a breeze. Simply clamp it shut to create a secure, solder-free connection. Need extensions for your unique space? Use standard wire to create custom lengths that fit your gaming desk, kitchen island, or ceiling cove perfectly. Featuring tin-plated copper contacts, these connectors are rated up to 4A. The clear housing allows for easy visual confirmation of pin placement before you clamp. These are specifically designed for 12mm wide, 6-pad RGB+CCT LED strips. Please ensure compatibility before purchase, as they are not suitable for other sizes or types. With an IP20 rating, these connectors are ideal for dry, indoor environments. Protect your connections in closets, cabinets, or basements for long-lasting performance. Forget the hassle of stripping wires or using a soldering iron. Our innovative design pierces insulation automatically for a quick and easy installation. What we like. Experience a truly solder-free connection with its IDC pins that pierce insulation automatically. The clear housing allows for easy visual confirmation of pin placement. If you need to create custom length extensions for specific setups like gaming desks or kitchen islands, this connector provides that flexibility. What people say. The connectors are well made and fit snugly. Easy to install and provide a secure connection. The 6-pin design is versatile for various LED strip configurations. Number 3. BTF-LIGHTING 50/50 RGB LED Strip Connector Kit. Introducing our transparent connector kit, designed specifically for 50/50 RGB LED strip lights. Achieve a seamless and professional look with ease. Forget the hassle of soldering. This kit provides a simple, solderless solution for connecting your LED strips. Just snap and go for a firm, reliable connection. Extend your lighting setup, make corner connections, or directly link to your controller and power supply. This kit offers the flexibility you need for any project. Specifically engineered for 12mm wide, 6-pin RGB LED strips. Please note, it is not compatible with RGB LED strip lights. Experience high quality and excellent cost performance with our tinny, low-profile design. It's a durable and efficient solution for all your LED strip lighting needs. Please be aware that these connectors are designed for single use. Once attached, they must be broken to remove the LED strip. What we like. This kit stands out with its included corner connectors, making intricate layouts a breeze. Its transparent design ensures a seamless look without obstructing the LED strip's light. If you're planning complex installations that involve turns or need various connection options like extending strips or connecting directly to a controller, this comprehensive kit is ideal. What people say. The connectors are well made and feel sturdy. Easy to connect and disconnect, saving time during installation. The 6-pin design is versatile and fits various LED strip applications. Number 2. 22 AWG 6-pin RGBWW LED strip extension cable. This high-quality extension cable measures 33 feet and features 6 wires with 22 AWG gauge. It's built with tin-plated copper strands for excellent conductivity and a durable, flame-retardant PVC jacket for long-lasting reliability. Designed for ease of use, this cable is simple to strip and cut to your desired length. Its high conductivity and low resistance make it flexible and easy to work with for any project. This extension cable is perfect for various LED strip lights, including RGBCCT, RGBWY, and RGBWW types. It's also suitable for many other low-voltage electronic devices and lighting applications. Safety is paramount with its smooth PVC jacket to prevent wire leakage and a high melting point for the casing and copper core. It's designed for low-voltage use, ensuring secure operation. For optimal performance and safety, please use this cable with low-voltage products under 24 V and a power consumption below 200 W. It's recommended to keep the cables in temperatures below 80 degrees Celsius. We are committed to providing excellent customer service. If you have any questions or need assistance, please don't hesitate to contact us for a pleasant shopping experience. What we like. Get an extensive 33 feet, 10 meters, of flexible extension wire, perfect for large-scale projects. It features high conductivity with tin-plated copper strands for reliable power delivery. If you need a long, durable, and easy-to-work-with cable for connecting various low-voltage products, this is an excellent option. What people say. The connectors are easy to use and make wiring LED strips much simpler. They provide a secure connection that doesn't come loose, even with movement. The design allows for quick and reliable attachment of LED strips without soldering. Number 1. ACTOO 6-pin JST-SM connector cable adapter. Introducing the ACTOO 6-pin JST-SM connector. It's designed for seamless male-to-female connections, making your LED strip installations a breeze. This adapter is ideal for your 50/50 RGBWW LED light strips. Ensure a stable and reliable power connection every time. Crafted for durability, this wire cable adapter provides a secure terminal connection. You can trust it for long-lasting performance. Get great value with this pack of 10 pairs. You'll have plenty of connectors for multiple projects or replacements. Effortlessly connect your LED lights with this user-friendly adapter. It simplifies the wiring process, saving you time and hassle. What we like. This option provides a convenient 10-pair pack of JST-SM male-to-female connector cables. These are specifically designed for easy plug-and-play connections with 5050 RGBWW LED light strips. If you're looking for a straightforward and standardized way to connect your LED strips, especially when dealing with multiple segments or replacements, this pack offers great value and simplicity. What people say. The connectors are well made and fit snugly. Easy to install and provide a secure connection. The 6-pin design is versatile for various LED strip applications. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.